In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat 2026. Optimizing PDFs. Whether you're emailing a report, uploading a form, or archiving documents, a smaller PDF can save time and storage without sacrificing clarity. We'll use Acrobat Pro's built-in Reduce File Size tool, which is fast, reliable, and great for everyday PDFs. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro. Go to the File menu, choose Open, and select the PDF you want to compress. If it's an important document, I recommend working on a copy so you always have the original at full quality. Large image-heavy PDFs and scans usually benefit the most from compression. With the file open, head back to the File menu and click Reduce File Size. Acrobat will ask you to choose a compatibility setting. Keep existing is the safest option for most users because it preserves compatibility with the version your document already targets. If you need a smaller file, and you know your audience is using newer versions of Acrobat, pick an older compatibility target in the list. Selecting an older version lets Acrobat apply more aggressive compression under the hood, especially to embedded images and some document resources. Just keep in mind that choosing an older target may turn off features that require the latest PDF standard. Things like certain interactive elements, advanced transparency, or specialized prepress settings might not be preserved exactly the same. After you've chosen the compatibility level that fits your needs, confirm by clicking OK. Acrobat will run the compression process, which usually takes just a moment depending on the length and complexity of the file. When the process is finished, you'll be prompted to save. Pick a location and give the file a clear name so you can tell it apart from the original, for example, adding reduced at the end. Click Save and your compressed PDF is ready. This workflow is ideal when you want quick size reduction with minimal quality loss and zero extra configuration. As a quick check, open the new file and skim a few pages to make sure images and text look crisp enough for your purpose. For email sharing and on-screen reading, the results are typically excellent. If the document is destined for high-quality printing or has sensitive form fields, favor the Keep Existing Compatibility choice to preserve fidelity. And remember, you can always keep both versions so you have a lightweight copy for distribution and the original for archival or editing. That's it, you've successfully optimized your PDF the quick, dependable way.